Find or read reviews that people are talking about Haulvean Curve Military Smartwatch. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 2024 newest 2.01-inch HD curve screen. Experience the perfect fusion of style and innovation with our 2.01-inch HD curved screen smartwatch. Designed with a seamless, 3D flexible surface extending from screen to the strap, these smartwatches for men draw inspiration from classic timepieces while encapsulating modern technology. The smartwatch provides the perfect fit for the wrist and serves as an excellent watch for family, friends, and loved ones. 2 watch straps, 2 wearing styles. Boasting a larger, high-definition screen and 2 interchangeable watch bands crafted from different materials, our watches for men offers versatility in style. Customize your look with a range of personalized watch faces to match your mood and outfit effortlessly. The dial seamlessly complements any style, allowing for easy switching between them via the watch or app. Personalize your Android smartwatch further by adding your favorite photos for a truly unique touch. Intelligent assistant and calling. Enhance your daily routine with our smartwatch for Android phones equipped with an intelligent voice assistant for convenience. Easily activate voice navigation, make calls, check weather forecasts, set alarms, and even play games with just your voice. Featuring a built-in microphone and loudspeakers, stay connected on the go by making and receiving calls directly from your wrist. Enjoy clear communication for a seamless calling experience on both ends. 100+ sports modes and fitness tracker. Our activity trackers and smartwatches provides a variety of exercise modes like walking, running, cycling, swimming, yoga, football, cricket, strength training, and more. Keep tabs on your progress with the step tracker watch that monitors steps, distance, calories, heart rate, and other essential activity data. Make informed choices for a healthier lifestyle based on the comprehensive insights provided by our sports watch. All-day health monitoring. The Health Watches for Men is equipped with optimized sensors for precise health data collection. This fitness tracker watch features a heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, blood oxygen monitor, and sleep tracker to provide a comprehensive analysis of your health around the clock. Gain valuable insights into your sleep quality, including deep sleep, light sleep, and wakefulness, to help you establish healthy sleep habits. Message notification and powerful. Our smartwatch that can call and text without reach your phone, ensures stay updated to SMS and app messages from text, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, Skype, and more. This smartwatch for Android and iPhone compatible also features medication reminders, weather forecast, music control, camera control, setting alarms, stopwatch, timer, breathing exercise. Find phone. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.